record it. What we have done, as we have seen in yesterday's class, we have taken the data set that is Zomato. Okay, this is that data set, right? Name of restaurant, whether online order facility is there or not, it is mentioned over here. Corresponding to different restaurant, whether booking facility is there or not, what is their different ratings, what votes they got from the audience, and what is their particular location, what are different types of restaurants, and this is the somewhat a subdivided classification, and this is the cuisines, that which kind of food is available, and cost means the average cost when two people are going to that particular place and they are having food, that particular cost. Okay. And this type is a type means it is broad classification of all the it is the broad classification of types of restaurants. Okay. And this rest type is the subcategory of this classification. Okay, that's it. And what we are doing, we are actually making a horizontal bar chart out of it by taking this type in y-axis. Okay, because it is a horizontal bar chart, we are taking type, that is a categorical value in y-axis, and vote, which is a numerical value itself, in x-axis. Okay, so this is our bar chart. Now in this bar chart, I have made some changes by going to format. Okay, what I have done, when I will click the drop down corresponding to y-axis in values, I can make changes regarding size and all. Okay, similarly in case of y-axis, x-axis also, I can do those changes. But this title of this graph is not that big. Okay, if I want to make changes over there also, go to general, in title, you can increase its size, or you can make it other heading also, like heading 2 also you can choose. Okay, if you want. So here you can increase the size of it, votes by type. Okay. So and whatever changes you want, like if you want to make take any other font also, it's possible. Make it bold, anything you want, you can do. Change the text color. Okay. So this is how things are. Now, if you want to change the color of those columns, what you have to do in this visual format, in visual, you can see that there is one option called bars. Okay, click that bar. By default, everything is blue in color. Make it on. That show all should be made on, and you can change the color of them one by one as per your desire. Okay, like this. Okay. So, wait. So this is how we can make our charts. Okay, it is looking okay. And now this is regarding horizontal bar chart. You can make some other charts also, like vertical bar chart. Okay, this one. Right now, what I'm doing is I will take this ratings and book table. Okay, I will take this book table. I will put it in x-axis, and rating I will put in y-axis. Okay, so it is showing me that when book table facility is not there, rating is quite good. Okay, but let us see that is it actually so. Okay, right here I will change the font and all so that it is clearly visible to all of you. Okay. It is rating by book table. Okay. In this case also similar changes you can apply. Okay, regarding grid lines, I forgot to mention that. See, regarding grid lines, it is somewhat dotted, right? In case of this chart also, it is somewhat dotted. If you can make it dashed also, okay, it is not that much visible because its color is somewhat gray. Okay, so if you want to change the color like this, you can do it. Okay, whatever color you want, you can do it. If you want the solid line, this kind of solid line also you can make. Okay, and in case of this chart also, similar changes you can make, like change the color of this grid lines, make the dotted as dashed or solid. Now it is more visible. Okay, and you can use zoom slider also. Okay, you have to make it on. Now when you will slide it, okay, when you will slide it, you can see the minute details also. All right, and regarding the data labels, there is an option below bar, that is data labels is off. When you will make it on, you can see the values of them. Okay, now if you want to increase their size or do any formatting corresponding to it, go to your values and do the changes. Okay, even you can put some background color also for them. Make the background color on. Okay, if you want to change the color, you can simply click the drop down and change the color over here. When you will decrease the transparency, you can see the color is becoming dark. Okay, so this is how it should be done. Okay, right now zoom slider is not that important. I'm going to make it off. Okay, and in case of this rating corresponding to book table, you can see that when rating is not there, when book table facility is not there, then rating is really good. Okay, but I want to ask you guys, rating is maximum, how much rating is possible? What is the maximum rating possible?
5.
5, correct. But here you can
5.
see, but here you can see what is the rating? 88,000. It is not correct, right?
It is
Yes.
sum of the
Yes. So what you have to do, go to format. Okay, not good, not format. Choose this visual itself. Okay, please mute your audio. Thank you. Okay. So this is your chart. Okay, go to this visual itself, and here rating is in which axis? Y axis, right? This one. Right click over the rating. By default, sum is being taken. Okay, when you will take the average, you can see the change. It is within 5 only. And now you can see when book table facilities, their rating is better, right? The whole thing got reversed, isn't it? All of you. You understood the change, what happened?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right
Yes,
now,
ma'am,
when
got it, ma'am.
facility, book table facility is there, rating is quite good compared to when book table facility is not there. So it is putting a lot of change on the entire graph. Okay. Similarly, you can do some changes over here also. Okay. Values are all good. Okay. If you want to change the size of the title and font, whatever, it's possible. Yeah. So that's it. And here also similar changes, like in this case, bars were there. And here in place of bars, columns are there. Make it on. And if you want to change the colors of them, like for yes, you can take green color. For no, you can take a red color. Okay. Like this, you can do some changes. And if you want to change the spacing, okay, go to spacing and do the changes like this. Okay. Right. And this is regarding a bar chart. Okay, let us take a pie chart. Okay, this one is pie chart. Now what I'm going to do is I'm putting this online order in legend. Legend means it will appear like this. Okay, indication, I mean different slices, whatever label should be there corresponding to different slices, that will appear in legend. Okay, And that is online order. Now I will be taking this votes in values. When online order is there, votes is really good, right? When online orders are there, I will make it little big so that it is visible to you all. Always remember, when you will click, when you will select outside the chart, then page is selected, you can't do any formatting regarding the visual. So always select the visual and go for formatting. Okay. Now here, regarding legend, okay, here text in place of values, text is there because they are text, right? Okay, like this, you can increase its size. And regarding title, it is, if you want to change the online order to something else, you can change the title. And this is slices, okay? This slice and this slice. If you want to change their color, it's also can be done, okay? Right. So now regarding this is detail labels. It is already on. If you want to change the size of it, go to values and increase its size. Okay. And regarding this title, go to general. There is title available over there. Increase its size. I hope it is clearly visible to all of you. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, if you want to rotate it, that's also can be done, right? Like this, okay? You do if you want to do some rotation, it is also can be done like this. Okay, so that's it. So this is regarding pie chart. Okay, now let us make a donut chart. Okay, in this case, what I will do, I will take this location will not look good. Let us take this type itself. Okay, I will take this type. I will put it in legend. It is somewhat similar to the pie chart, donut chart. In between, there is no, content is there. It is hollow. Okay. Now, I have taken the type in legend. Now, let us take the cost in values. Okay. So you can see that what is the cost of different places, right? Like Dynout is having the highest cost. Here also similar changes can be done. Okay. Just like pie chart, you can do some changes over here also. Go to format. Okay. Similar changes you can do. Increase their size. Okay. Regarding title, if you want to change the title, that also can be like done. Like you can write like restaurant types. Okay. Okay. Or simply types is also okay. Right. So like this, you can do some changes. Okay. And similarly, let us do some changes regarding the slices also. Okay. Right. This is how you can do some changes regarding spacing also. It can be done like this. Okay. And here also this rotation option is there regarding detail labels. Let us increase the size of them. Okay. So that's it. So this is regarding donut chart, and let us take this tree map. Okay. So I just want to know that in which location, how many restaurants are present. Okay. So what I will do, I will take this restaurants and I will put it location in categories and restaurants in values. Okay. So it is showing me count of restaurants by location, like in which particular location majority of restaurants are there. So in BTM, majority of restaurants are there. That means it is somewhat I mean, very a very posh area or something like that. That's why maybe majority of restaurants are there. This is called tree map. Okay. This is what is called tree map, right? And here also similar changes you can do, like go to format, and if you want to take the legend, you can make it on. It will appear over there. Okay. But since already names are there in different, tiles, so we don't require it. And if you want to change the color of them, you can change it like this. Okay. Since huge number of things are there, I'm not going to change the color. Okay. And regarding data labels, like how many restaurants are there in different location. Okay, that you can find by simply making this data label on. Now you can see that count has appeared over here, right? And similarly here also you can do changes regarding the size and all so that it is more visible. Okay. And regarding category labels, these are category labels and you can increase their size also. Okay, like this. So this is called tree map, right? And let us take another thing that is, let us take map. Okay, and let us put some locations over there. Okay, I'm putting this location over here. So you can see in bubbles, things are shown that wherever the restaurants are there, I mean, whichever locations are there, it is showing that. But if you want to understand that which place is having how many restaurants, okay, you can put this restaurants in bubble size so that there is bubble size. You can put this restaurants in bubble size. So wherever majority of restaurants are there, it will appear in a big bubble. Okay. Here, the bubble is small, only 21 restaurants are there. But here, the bubble is comparatively large because 554 restaurants are there. Okay, like this, whatever you want, you can put over there. Regarding rating also, if you are putting this rating, then it is showing you the rating. Since we should always take the average of them, I'm taking the average. Okay, so it is showing me like this. So whatever things you want, you can put over here, which will show you the, which will be represented in the form of bubble size. Okay, so I'm taking this votes. All right, and here, if I want to actually show them in different colors, what I have to do is I have to take this location and I have to put it in legend. Okay, then here legend will appear like whatever locations are there. Also, it will be shown in different colors. And if I want a pie chart in this particular locations, like corresponding to the on whether book facility is there or not, corresponding to that, if I want to see in different location, so it will actually show me a pie chart. See, you can see over here, it is showing me a pie chart of yes and no. Okay, when I'm moving to dark blue color, it is showing me yes, and when I'm moving to this light blue color, it is showing me no. In place of book table, I can put any other variable, like I am taking this type and I'm putting it over here. Now you can see the change. Okay, here you can see the pie chart. Okay, this is how we can make a pie chart in map. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So our tree map is done. This one is done. Let us make a funnel chart. Okay. So this is funnel chart. You can explore other charts also. Since many charts are there, it is not practical to tell you everything. Okay. So here I am doing like whatever things we have discovered. Cost by type and votes by type. Let us take ratings by type. Okay. Now I will select this, then only category and value, whatever things, whatever variables is possible, it will come. When I'm clicking outside, you can see the changed only values are there. Okay, so I will choose this particular visual. Now I will put this type in category. Okay, now I will take this ratings over values. You can see the funnel chart. Funnel chart means highest value will be at the top and lowest value will be at the bottom, just like a funnel. Okay, and here, since rating is by default in sum, I will make it average by right clicking. Okay. Now you can see it is looking like this. Okay. So this is what, and here also same changes you can make. Okay. I'm not repeating it again and again because we have done it in all the graph. Okay. So same changes like changing the font size, changing the color of the bars, that all can be done. After going to, first of all, you have to select the graph, then go to this format, and in the colors itself, you can make it on and change all the colors. Okay. So that is what is called funnel chart. And here also you can increase the size of these writings and all. Okay. And that is all regarding tree map. Oh, sorry, funnel chart. And you can take some line chart also. See, I am taking this line chart. And here, if I want to understand that, corresponding to restaurants, what are the ratings? Okay, which restaurant is having the highest cost? If I want to find it, so I will take this restaurants in x-axis. Okay, and I will take this cost in y-axis. Now you can see this particular restaurant is having highest cost, that is Cafe Coffee Day. Okay, 73,900. Okay, it is basically showing me the total cost actually. Okay, if I want, I can take the average also, then things will change. Okay. Now it is showing another Leela Palace, which is having the highest cost, that is 6,000. Okay, so this is line chart here. You can find a slider. Using this, you can view the entire chart. Okay. Similarly, we can make, after choosing the chart, you can convert it into other chart also. Okay, since it is a line chart, I can make it into area chart. Okay, like this. Whatever I want to make changes, I can do. If I'm converting it into donut chart, it will look very clumsy like this. We can't understand that what is happening over here. It is very clumsy. So in such situation, you need to use this bar chart, a line chart, or area chart. Okay, bar chart will also look good like this. Okay, line chart is more convenient. So it depends on which particular variables you are playing with. Okay, based on that, you should decide which chart you should use. Okay, now there is one field map. I will take another data set for it. Okay, so that it is more visible to you. Let us take this Excel workbook, and here Indian states and districts are there. We'll open it. Guys, only few 1 minute is left. Okay, 1 minute and some seconds are left. So all of you, please join the meeting again because I want to explain you about cards, buttons, and all. Not cards, buttons, images, and all. Okay. So I'm choosing this. First of all, I need to transform it because, as you already know, that this particular data set that we used earlier was not at all filling. So what steps we have performed? Anybody who was able to recollect yesterday's things, please tell me how we have done it. We have to delete this column, right? Guys, are you there in the meeting or you already left?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we are here.
Yes, ma'am. By removing the blanks, by removing the null values, removing zero values, remove errors.
Okay, so it is done. Go to close and apply. Okay, I'm going to make field map. Okay, so this is my chart. I will take this state in, before that, let us take the field map. Okay. Now I will put this state in location. Okay, and I will put this state in legend. Legend will give the color to different states. Okay. So you can see over here, different states are being shown in different colors. Okay. So this is how field map is. Okay. So these many visuals are there.